Hey there, Martin from Define Marketing, and wanted to quickly run through the 5 things your website needs to be successful. So, first and foremost, you need a website strategy. So, what is a website strategy? That's clear goals and objectives. So, your website should be aligned with your business goals, whether it's generating leads, selling products, or providing information. Having a clear strategy ensures that your website serves its purpose effectively. It needs an understanding of your target audience, so knowing who your audience is and what they need is crucial. Your website should be tailored to meet their specific needs and guide them through their customer journey. And competitor analysis. Understand what your competitors are doing right and where they're lacking. This will help you position your website in a way that stands out and addresses gaps in the market. The next thing you need to look at is having a lead generation focused design. So that is having a conversion oriented layout. So your website should be designed to guide visitors toward taking action, whether it's filling out a form, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. You need a clear call to action, or a CTA. Every page should have a clear and compelling call to action that encourages visitors to take the next step in the buying process. And you can also have secondary call to actions that may be for those who are confused. Maybe they're not ready to make a purchase. Maybe they're ready to ask you more questions and get answers. So you could always have a second call to action on a page as well. And you need your design to be optimized for user experience. A user-friendly design that's easy to navigate ensures that visitors can find what they need quickly, reducing bounce rates and increasing conversions. Now, the next major section is having a high quality, fast local website hosting. So having fast local hosting improves your load times. So a fast website enhances user experience and reduces bounce rates. Local hosting often provides faster load times for your target audience than more cheaper overseas hosting will do. Enhanced security. High quality hosting services offer robust security features that protect your website from threats, which is essential for maintaining user trust. The last thing you want is to be the next Optus or the next, healthcare provider who gets hacked and, all of their users' details are leaked publicly online. And having high quality, fast local hosting leads to better SEO performance because search engines favor websites that load quickly and have minimal downtime, which can improve your website's ranking and visibility. Now you need a development platform that can grow with the business. So you want to look for a platform that is scalable. So as your business grows, your website should be able to expand and accommodate new features, products, or services without requiring a complete rebuild. Flexibility. You need to choose a platform that allows for easy customization and integration with other tools and technologies, ensuring that your website can evolve with your business needs. And support and community. A well-supported development platform with a strong community can make a big difference when you need help or want to implement new features. So they're the 4 key ones to start with. And then what you need to do is number 5, which is regular updates for both your content and your platform. So fresh content, regularly updating your website's content keeps it relevant and engaging for visitors, and it signals to search engines that your site is active and worth ranking. Platform and security updates. So keeping your platform up to date is critical for security and performance, and regular updates prevent vulnerabilities and ensure your website runs smoothly. And finally, keeping everything up to date, both your content and your platform, has some SEO benefits because consistently adding and updating content can improve your SEO, making it easier for potential customers to find your business online, and continuously updating your platform means that it's going to be performing at its optimum, and that always helps to make sure that your website is loading quickly. So, in conclusion, and to wrap up, a successful website isn't just about looking good. It's about performing well and driving your business forward by focusing on strategy, lead generation, quality hosting, a scalable platform, and regular updates that you can ensure that your website remains a valuable asset as your business grows. So thanks for the time with that. And if you are looking for more resources, please jump on our website at definemarketing.au and go to the resources tab where there's a pile of articles, there's links to great platforms that you can use to help grow your business, and much, much more. So that concludes this episode, and I really hope you got something out of it.